Hi, I'm showing you today to do the back stitch that is stronger, where both sides is continuous. So sometimes we need to do top stitching like this one. This is a mask, part of the mask that I'm making, face mask. So we need to top stitch, right? So top stitch so that there is character and it looks neat. So both sides will be able to see. So depending on you, you can you can do the top stitch where both sides are continuous stitching. So this is again the needle, and then I have already tied a knot at the back. I purposely didn't cut off the tail here, but normally you should cut off the tail so that it looks neat, right? So again, you always want your needle to be on top so that you can see it. So when we are doing this stronger back stitch, it is not two forward and one backwards. This is just one. So when you're here, you come back to where your thread is. You go back here and go just one forward, right? Just one forward, and then go back where you started. Come back out where the thread is. So it's only one forward. Every time you go in, you go back in where you started, and go forward one time only. Okay, so go backwards, come back. So this will be a slower back stitch, but it is very strong, right? So come back here, just one time forward, come back, right? Just one time forward. Go backwards. Right? Go back where your thread is. Go forward one time. Just like that. So this is a strong back stitch. I find that you do this back stitch, you want to unpick. This is not easy to unpick. It's a very strong stitch. So front is continuous and back is also continuous. It has a smaller gap, not so big gap, right? And it's double thread. So this one is a very, very strong stitch, and I find it not easy to unpick. Okay, so one more time, I just do it to show. You go back to where your thread is coming out, go forward one time, go backwards to cover it to make it look continuous, and right? So the gap is smaller at the back, right? This is a strong back stitch.